This tutorial will guide you how to connect your iPhone to your smart TV. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Before connecting your iPhone to your smart TV, it's very important to ensure that your smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone. As you can see here, my iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as my smart TV. So let me show you just like this. As you can see, it is connected to the same Wi-Fi as my smart TV. Now, to connect your smart TV to your iPhone using your remote, since I'm using the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, I'll have to navigate here to input. So go here to input, it will come here. Now what you need to do, you have to find this is what is called AirPlay. So you can see here is AirPlay. Make sure to tap on AirPlay. Now this will open the AirPlay connection guide. Now just take your iPhone, once you take your iPhone, make sure to go to the control panel here, and then you'll see the screen mirroring. If you don't see the screen mirroring, you can tap the plus symbol to add the control panel icons. You can just select add a control, and then you can choose screen mirroring from these options. Now also you have added screen mirroring, make sure to tap on the screen mirroring icon, and then to detect your TV, which is Hisense VIDAA TV. You'll have to tap on the Hisense VIDAA TV just like this. As you can see right now, the screen has appeared on my smart TV. So that's how you can connect your iPhone to your smart TV. It's very easy. Make sure just your phone and your smart TV has been connected to the same Wi-Fi. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.